These POV roller coaster videos are going viral right now, and many people are making a lot of money from them. Make sure you've subscribed to the channel because I'm about to show you a completely free method to create these videos yourself. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. First, open the master prompt. The link is in the description below. Copy the full detailed prompt and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Hit enter, and within just a couple of seconds, it will generate 10 viral roller coaster concepts for you to choose from. If you don't like any of them, simply ask for more, and it will instantly generate fresh ideas. For this video, I'll choose idea number 7. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will provide you with one image prompt and one video prompt for that concept. Copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow. Select the image option, turn on your desired settings, paste the prompt, and hit enter. Within seconds, a set of images will appear right in front of you. Choose the one that looks the most thrilling and cinematic. Click on it, then click the 3 dots and select Animate. Now, go back to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompt and paste it directly into Google Flow. Hit enter. And just like that, within seconds, your viral POV roller coaster video is completely finished and ready to be posted online. It's really that simple. Here are some other videos I created using this exact method.
Woo, let's go! Woo! Let's go!
Yeah, that's the complete workflow. All the links you need are available in the description below. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next viral AI niche. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.